Hello kids, this is Mohit Surbas. Today we are going to learn question number first of exercise 3.3. For last few days I could not provide my videos continuously. So from now on I will try to provide at least one video each day. Okay. So let's begin to make mathematics easy. Here the question is dependent on divisibility. Okay. I already explained about divisibility in my previous videos. You can see them. Okay, so we have to check some numbers divisibility by 2 to 11. Only one 7 is not there, otherwise continuously range. Okay, so first of all 128. If we check the divisibility by 2, this 128 is divisible by 8 or not. So simply check the last digit. If this last digit is coming from this group 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so it is coming. So this number is divisible by 2. Now next one by 3. Simply add the digits. Simply add all the digits. 1 plus 2 plus 8, total 11. So 11 is not divisible by 3, so it's not possible. In the case of 4, check the last two digits. 4, 7, 28. So it is divisible by 4. Now next, by 5. In the case of 5, simply check last digit. If that last digit is from this group 0, 5. If any one number is coming at this place, you can say this number is divisible by 5. So it's not possible. Okay, now next by 6. If this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, if this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so you can say this number will be divisible by 6 also. But in the case here you can see this number is divisible by 2 but not by 3, so it's not possible. Okay, in the case of 8, in the case of check the last 3 digits, check the last 3 digits. So only 3 digits are here, so we have to check. So just divide it. I'm going to give divide over here. 128, 8, 818, 4. Now 86, 48. So we'll go. Okay. Now by 9, simply add the digits. 1 plus 2 plus 8. Total 11. 11 is not divisible by 9, so it's not possible. In the case of 10, simply check last digit. If last digit is 0, simply if last digit is 0, you can say this number will be divisible by 10. So it's not possible. In the case of 11, see, in the case of 11, check even place digit. How many digits are here? 1, first place, second place, third place. Okay, add odd places, add even places. So odd places number 1 plus 8, 9 odd places. Okay, odd places. Okay, even places only 2. Even places, even place number only 2, and after that you have to subtract from odd place to even place, and whatever number is coming, see, if number is coming 0 or multiple of 11, we can say that number will be divisible by 11. So here is 7, so 7 cannot be, so not possible. The same way we will find other number divisibility by these numbers, 990. Same way we will find, see, last digit 0 from this one group, So it will be divisible by 2. Add numbers 9 plus 9 plus 18, 18 plus 0, 18. So 18 will go by 3, will go by 4. Check last two digits. 90 is going by 4. 4 to 8, 8 and 10 cannot be go. Cannot go. So cannot be divided. Will not possible. Now with 5, 0 is coming at last. I told you if last number either 0 or 5, we can say that number will be divisible by 5. So will go. Now 6, if any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so we can say that number will also be divisible by 6. Now by 8, last 3 digits. So divide 990 by 8. 990 by 8. 818 1. 8 to 16 3. 30 will not come in 8 table, so you can say it is not divisible by 8. Now in the case of 9, add all the digits. 9 plus 0. So 18 will go. 18 is coming in 9 table, so it will go by 9. Now in the case of 10, check only last digit, that must be 0. That must be 0. So 0 is coming at last place. Okay. Now by 11. By 11. Check. By 11. Add all odd places and even places. Odd places, 9 plus 0. 9 minus 9. 0 is coming, will go. Okay. Now check the let's check the divisibility of another number. 1586. Check 1586 divisibility. Last digit coming from this group 0, 2, 4, 8, 8 only, not comma. Sorry, 6 is left, 8. Okay, so it is coming, 6 is coming, so it will go by 2. Now by 3, add all the digits. 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6. So 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 8, 6, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. 20 is coming in 3 table? No. Okay, by 4, check the last 2 digits. 4 to 8 and 2 will be left. So 4, 6, 24 will not go. 26 will not come in 4 tables, so will not go. Okay, and in the case of 5, last digit must be either 0 or 5. So it is not coming at last place. 0 is not coming, or 5 is also not coming, so will not go. Now next, in the case of 6, that number must be divisible by both the numbers 2 and 3. It means both 2 and 3. So it's not possible in the case of 6. Okay, and 8, last three digit we have to check. So 586, 5 sorry. So 586 divide by 8. 8 7 56 2 26 will not come. 8 table will not go. Now add all the digits. In the case of 9, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 6 20 will not come in 9 table. Okay, in the case of 10, last digit must be 0, will not go. And in the case of 11, add odd places and add even places. Add odd places means 9 minus even places 5 plus 6 11. Okay, we have to find only difference. So minus sign, it's not necessary to take. Okay, so simply take 2. 2 is coming in 11 table, not coming. Okay, so we will not go in the case of this 11. Okay, let's find the divisibility of another number. Okay, 275 by 2. See 0. In the case of 2, we last digit must be coming from this group 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Not coming. So will not be divisible. Will not be divisible by 2. Now in the case of 3, add all the digits. Say 2 plus 7 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14. 14 will not come in the table of 3 or will not be divisible by 3. So not possible. Now in the case of 4, check the last digit. 75. 75 is divisible by 4 or not. 4 1 4 and 35 left, and 35 will not come in 4 table, so will not go. Now in the case of 5, last digit must be either 0 or 5. So 5 is coming, so will be divisible by 5. Now if any number is divisible by 2 and 3, so we can also say that number will also be divisible by 6. So here is not this number is not divisible by 2 and 3, so this cannot be divisible by 6 also. Now in the case of 8, check last 3 digit. 275 divide 83 24 35 will come in 8 table. No, wrong. Okay, now add in the case of 9, add all the digits. 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 4 5 14. 14 will come in 9 table. No. And in the case of 10, 0 must be present at last place, so it's not coming, so not possible. In the case of 11, add all the odd place number and even place number. Odd place number 7 and even place this one 0 is coming, will go. Okay, let's check the divisibility of another number. 86. Okay, check last digit. It is coming from that group. I told you 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 6 is coming. Will be divisible by 2. In the case of 3, add all the digits. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 6, 26. 26 will come in 3 table. No. Check last digit in the case of 4. 4 to 8, 6 will not come in 4 table. Okay, so not possible. Okay, here in the case of 5, 0 or 5 must be present at last place, so not coming, not possible. Okay, in the case of 6, if any number is divisible by 2 and 3, both 2 and 3, so that number will also be divisible by 6. So here is, see, this number is cannot be divided by 3 completely, so not possible. In the case of 8, check last 3 digit. 686. Okay, divide 8 8 64 4 and 46 will not come in 8 table, not possible. Now in the case of 9, add all the dates. 12 12 8 20 20 plus 26. 26 will not come in 9 table, so will not go. Okay, in the case of 10, 0 must be available at last place, so it's not here. Okay, in the case of 11, add odd place number 8 plus 4 6 plus 8 14 and 6 plus 6 12. 2 is coming, so it's not possible in the case of this. In the case of 11, it means this number is not divisible by 11 because 2 is coming as a difference and 2 cannot be divided by 11. Let's check the divisibility of another number. 0 is coming, and I already told you if last digit is 0, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, it means from this group coming. So we can say that number will be divisible by 2. In the case of 3, add all the digits. 6 plus 3 plus 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 21 will come in 3 table or will be divided by 3. So we can say this number will also be divisible by 3. Now in the case of 4, check last 2 digits. 10 will not come in 4 table, not possible. And 5, either 0 or 5 must be present or must be available at last place. So 0 is here, will go. And in the case of 6, simply if any number is completely divisible by 2 and 3, we can also say that number will also be divisible by 6. Okay, in the case of 8, check last 3 digits. 210. Divide 8 to 16. 5 is left and 50 will not be divided by 8 or will not come in the table of 8. Okay, in the case of 9, check, add all the digits. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 1, 21 and 0, there is no sense. Okay, so 21 will not come in 9 table, will not be divisible by 9. And in the case of 10, 0 must come at last place, so 0 is coming, so will be divisible by 10. And in the case of 11, add odd place number. 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, minus even place 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 0, 5. So 11 is coming. Okay, so 11 can be divided by 11, so it's possible. Okay, let's check the divisibility of another number. So check last digit 4, and that is coming from that group. Will go and add all the digits in the case of 3. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 7, 22, 22 plus 1, 23, 23 plus 4, 27, 27 will be divided by 3, will go. Okay, check the last two digits in the case of 4. So divide it. 14 will not come in the table of 4, or you can say 14 cannot be divided by 4. Not possible. In the case of 5, 0 and 0, 5 must be available at last place, so it's not here. Okay, now in the case of 6, if any number is divided by 2 and 3, so we can also say that number will be divided by 6 also. Okay, now in the case of 8, check last 3 digits. 714, divide 8, 64, and what is left? 11, 6 will come. 6, no. 11 minus 4, 7 will come, and here is nothing, and 4. 74 will not come in the table of 8, or 74 cannot be divided by 8, so it's not possible in the case of 8. And 9 by 9, so add all the digits. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 7, 22, 22 plus 1, 27, sorry 23, 23 plus 4, 27 will go. Okay, in the case of 10, 0 must be available at last place, so it's not here, so will not go. And in the case of 11, add the odd place number. 4 plus 9 plus 1, 10, 14, minus even place 2 plus 7 plus 4, so 9 plus 4, 13, 1 is coming, will not go. Okay, let's check the divisibility of and the number. Last digit is 6, will go by 2. And in the case of 3, add all the digits. 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21 will go by 3, will be divided by 3. Now in the case of 4, check last two digit. 414, 44, 16 will go. Okay, now in the case of 5, add at last place 0 or 5 will be available, so will go. No, sorry, will not go, because here is 6. In the case of 6, if any number is divided by 2 and 3, we can also say that number will be divisible by or divided by divisible by or divided by 6. So in the case of 8, okay, check last 3 digits. 8, 5, 6. Okay, divide 8, 1, 8. 5 will not go, so 6, 8, 7 will go. Okay, now in the case of 9, add all the digits. 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. 21 cannot be divided by 9. Okay, in the case of 10, 0 must come at last place, will not go. Okay, and in the case of 11, just add odd place number 7 minus Even place number 14. Only find out the difference. There is no need to put the minus sign. Difference only. So what is the difference between them? 7. So 7 is divisible by 7 is 7 divisible by 11 or not? No. So cannot be. Okay. Now next. Simple. 3060. 0 is coming at last place, so will be divisible by 2. 3 is in the case of 3, add digits. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 will go by 3 will go. Okay. And in the case of 4, just check the last two digits. 60 can be divided by 4. 4 1 4 and 4 5 20 will go. Okay. In the case of 5, we have to check only last digit. That must be either 0 or 5. So will go. Okay. And in the case of 6, if any number is divided by both 2 and 3, so we can also say that number will be divisible by 6. Now in the case of 8, check last 3 digits. So 0 is not keeping any kind of value. Divide 60. 60 will not come in the table of 8, or 60 cannot be divided by 8. So it's not possible. Now in the case of 9, see, add all the digits. So 9 can be divided by 9. Possible. Okay. In the case of 8, 10, 0 must come at last place is coming. So will go. And in the case of 11, add odd places and even places. 9 is coming. 9 cannot be divided by 11. So it's not possible. Okay. Let's check the divisibility of another number. So 406839. Check last digit. Coming from that group, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. No. So not divisible by 2. In the case of 3, add all the digits. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 9, 30. 30 will come, or 30 can be divided by 3. Yes. Now in the case of 4, just check the last two digits. 39 cannot be divided by 4. So it's not possible. And in the case of 5, 0 or 5 must be present at last place. So not coming. So 6, say if any number is divided by both 2 and 3, we can also say that number will be divisible by or divided by 6. No. Here, check last 3 digits. 839, 818. Okay, 3, 9. 39 cannot be divided by 8. So, not possible. In the case of 9, add all the digits. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 30, 21. 21 plus 9, 30. 30 will come in 9 table, or 30 can be divided by 9. No, not possible. So it's not possible. In the case of 10, 0 must come at last place. Not possible. Okay. And in the case of 11, just add odd places number. 4 plus 6 plus 3, 13, minus 0 plus 8 plus 9, 17. Okay. So only find out difference. Do not take any kind of sign, minus sign. Okay. 4 is divided by 11. No. Okay. So this way we have completed first one question. In next video we will solve another question. Till then, bye children.